Looks good. Thumbs up.
The TV's doing okay. Yeah.
That countdown's not for me.
No. What are you making?
I'm making an attempt to do jelly roll. Never made this recipe before. It's been years since I made jelly roll.
I think you need something to stop it with.
We'll see what happens. The baking powder is really starting to work already. You can tell by the bubbles.
Yep. Like pancake mix.
Just like pancake mix, yeah.
Not as runny as I expected. Recipe says 10 by 15 pans, so.
It's about 10 and that's about 15.
Okay.
Close enough?
Yeah.
Yeah, when that oven's ready. Go in.
Okay. And it's out of the oven. How long was it in?
That was 10 minutes in the oven, then I gave it a minute on broil because the top was a little bit on the light side, but that'll be nice.
Okay.
So we'll give that enough time to cool down until we can handle it, and then we'll peel the paper off.
Okay. Back in a minute.
Alright, so next we're going to cut the 4 edges off just to make it easier to roll. Should we throw that in the garbage?
No.
Oh, I thought it was good.
Is it?
Yeah. Whoop.
Whoops.
Oh well.
A dusting of icing
Yeah.
just so
That's
that
what
it
we're
won't
trying to do.
stick.
Yeah, like that. Let that cool for a little bit, and then we'll put filling in it and roll it.
Back to the cake.
Back to the cake. So we're just gonna spread some strawberry jam, whatever jam, raspberry works well. Also.
Put it fairly good thickness. Yeah, there we go.
I don't want to put like half a bottle of jam in it.
Well, you shouldn't have started then.
I should have made something else.
Yeah.
Alright, spit like that. Oh, next up, secret ingredient. Vanilla pudding. You could make the custard and that'll work, but vanilla pudding is
Next best thing.
the next best thing. It almost looks like lemon.
It
meringue.
does, but no.
Almost looks like lemon meringue pie filling.
Can put it all on?
Oh, no.
No?
No. It'll all just ooze right out. It'd be too thick. Too much filling. Alright, so here we go.
Now, we might be eating it like that, but we're going to try and roll it up.
Alright, so that can go there. It's been a year since I tried to roll. Here we go. Ta-da! Oh, see that?
Do what?
Wrap it up.
Do what? Put it in the fridge?
Put it in the fridge just like that.
On a plate?
The seam edge goes on the bottom.
You
And
don't think-
hopefully it all stays together. Can't have any till tomorrow.